Yes, I've done it again. Do I feel like doing it? No, I don't. But I have to. We must punish ourselves to grow. Must we not, my friends? We're gonna delete all of this. Close this as well. What is this? Shut up. Remove new project. Can you do it from memory? Prep app. Finish. Mikone. Remove. Come here. These are unescapable. These you need to resort to these tips. Do I put just Enter Studio Managed? No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna put it here actually. That's not gonna work either. Okay, no problem. No problem. Build Gradle, you put this shit. Other Gradle. These are you're permitted to just copy paste them from somewhere. That's no problem. Capped and this guy as well. Go here. Capped and this guy. Let me play this thing. Go down. Come here. Capped. These are the two here. Okay, just ignore the fact that it wants capped correct error. This is not going to be important. Okay, now you begin. Sync this. We got what? Need retrofit as well. Retrofit. Oh, we didn't add that. Oh, we did. Okay, I didn't include that. Okay. Okay. Retrofit. Bam. $290, I think. Yes, 290. Now sync. Now we got retrofit. We got hilt. We are ready to go. Can you do this from memory? You need to. It's a shame on you if you can't. Prep application. Shame on you. This extends application. And is it what? It is what? Hilt Android app. There. There's your app. Go to the manifest. Name, yes. Close. Now what? Network. Now you need what? Not the network data source, no. I think application module. So module install in singleton component class. Yeah. In here we're gonna say provides retrofit. This way. Okay. Fucking life. API GitHub, yeah, whatever. Provides fucking retrofit, okay. Yeah. This is how we need it though. Retrofit. API, network data source. What is the goddamn class name, man? Hello guys. I'm flattered that you think there's people here. Hey guys, hey everybody. It's only you, buddy. Let's go network data source. Fuck it. Network data source. This guy is gonna have what? Retrofit client? Retrofit client. It's gonna have definitely this interface. Yes. I insert the whole network data sources. Okay. So val API is of type API. My API, let's say, fuck off. Yeah, I know. Init of this class is gonna do, yeah, that's what I want, yeah. And then I'm gonna say, no, that's wrong. That's retrofit. Yeah. And then I'm gonna say API is equal to retrofit. Yeah. That's done for that. And then I'm gonna say suspend fun. No, I'm gonna say interface. My API is gonna have no, not interface. Yes, interface. You just have get I don't know, get repositories, yeah, whatever. Hey Pranesh, what's going on? How's everybody? So what I'm trying to do here is write this whole stuff from memory. I don't want to Google anything. I don't want to research anything. I don't want to look up anything. I think these are basic. You should be able to write them from memory. Or to intuit them at least. Otherwise it's fucking humiliating, honestly, if we don't, if we're unable to do this. Get repos, yes. List, then you got what? The actual method? Yeah, you do. My APIs get repos, yeah, okay. Fun, get repos. What's this gonna do? API dot get repos dot what? No, this has to be a call. Yeah, call. Yeah, true. Has to be a call. And then you have here interface. My call. My callback, yes. Dot, I need to pass it here. My callback is dot what, man? In queue, yeah, in queue. A new callback object. Well, thank you, Copilot. I don't think they'll take that. They're gonna accept this when I do it in the interview. Sorry, buddy. I got Copilot. You know. Could you please turn Copilot off? Well, fuck you, buddy. You don't want AI in our lives? Is that what you mean, buddy? You don't want to accept our AI overlords? What's your problem, buddy? Why is this keyboard so shit? Honestly. Really, man. So what does it take? Call of list string, I guess. And then go this. No, don't want that. What about this? And this. This one. Yeah, let's do that. And then just do this. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna set Android Studio to be managed for a second. So Vim. I'm gonna remove this line, I'm gonna save it, and then I'm gonna do brew services. Restart. Yes. What the fuck? Huh? Restart and then the app name, right? No? What the hell? Yabai restart service. Yabai dash restart service? Are you even working, man? Like control this computer? No, deny. Restart services? Hey bro, how you doing? There we go. Alright, much better. So we're gonna take this out. I don't want to look at this shit. I want to have the data layer. Adding a data source. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Hey, Frangie. What? Frang and then a K? Frangie or Frankie? What a weird name. Let's see your picture. You look like a normal person though. That's a weird name though. Tell you that. So adding a data source. First thing you gotta do. API, no. Object hosting, no. Retrofit object initialization. Yes. Now we're getting somewhere. So you have your retrofit object initialization. Then what do? You use it. No. Use object to create API object modeled on your interface. So we're gonna do it this way. This is the code for that. What you do is val retrofit is equal to retrofit dot builder dot build. Oh, but here you also set URL, right? Is that right? Base URL, yeah. So we do base URL. Don't wrap the code, man. Who's wrapping the code? Hey Oleg, I knew you'd make it. Bro, 9 years experience, right? You know what I'm practicing for tomorrow's interview? It's pair programming. And I thought to myself, man, if they ask me, hey, let's write a view model, right? Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure how to write, like, if I were like I'm not sure how to write, for example, state. I had to refresh today. I don't want to be Googling like silly stuff. You know what I mean? I'll show you in a second what I mean, but state, like mutable state flow of state, the interface that you create up there, and then you got the state that you fuck with from the view. That's state flow. You call as state flow on the mutable that you created. That whole thing, that's so verbose, and god damn it, man. But you need to know it for the fucking interview. I'm doing this 8 years. Sag. So retrofit object initialization. That's the first thing you do. Then what do you do? Then you do this. You do this. You have your API, yeah, is equal to retrofit dot create. My API class JVA. Great. This API is what? It's this. Nope. Yeah. What the hell? Okay. That's this. Yes. And so your first you go like create API interface. Yeah, that's what you do first. So you have interface, my API interface. Why would it be an interface? Yeah, it is an interface. Okay, my API. So this would have fun, or if you want, like you could do suspend fun if you're feeling adventurous. You mean you were told to write a certain implementation of presentation data communication via state flow, not the way you usually do, but exactly they want to see? No, I haven't been told anything yet. The interview's tomorrow. But I'm predicting that if they were to ask me this, I'm not gonna be able to I'm not gonna be able to produce it on the fly. And I think that's bad. So I don't wanna be in that situation. I don't wanna be Googling that stuff. It's not like, hey, what's your name? It should be like, hey, what's your name? But the problem is that it's always changing. It can't, you know, it has to be like, yeah, you don't need to Google this shit, you know, you should know. The whole cycle of like you'll see now what I'm trying to do now. Go out, make a request, bring back the result. All of this and the stuff that's required to do all of that should be immediate to you, in my opinion. Meaning the dependency injection, retrofit client, the data layer with a network data source, and what to do with the call, all of this stuff, which I'm gonna write out now again, you know? So get repositories here, for example. Returns a call of type list repository. Great. It's also difficult to keep in mind while Studio always helps you with autocomplete and other. It doesn't. Copilot does. Not Android Studio. You don't use Copilot? Where do you work? Where are you from? You're like one of the 3 people I know who have 9 years or 6+. No, wait, I'm 8. Yeah, but yeah. Oh. Damn, 8 years, man. I don't know enough for someone who's doing 8 years, man. I don't feel that. Am I really so lacking in confidence, or was it? What is it? Ukraine. Oh, nice to meet you. I have a friend who's Ukrainian. Friend, like I know her. I have another person who I know who's Ukrainian, also Android. Is that you? No. Hit that. That's him. That's the Ukrainian friend I know, who's a developer. This guy's really good. Yeah, you're not him. Okay, so I'm happy with this. You have your API, you have the retrofit thing, you have this, and then what do you do? Then, what do you do? What the hell, bro? Come down here, move. Plus, above. Oh my god. How the hell do I leave? Click to add below. Option click to add above. Alright. Idiots. It's interesting to me how usually interview goes in companies in your country, because in Eastern Europe it's mostly dozens of questions from the sheet. Yeah, I've had all of them. I made a video about all of the shapes and sizes that they've come in. Yeah. There's stuff like that, and there's stuff like other. Where's the video? Content. Oh, it's the latest video on my channel. Many faces of the Android technical interview. Yeah, they can come in all shapes and sizes. I've seen them all. So now define the API method implementation. Also, you could have a callback. Have a callback for delivering the success, failure of the request. That sounds too wordy. Callback. Create callback for sending back. Create callback for all requests. Yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah. Well, it's the latest video. It talks about all of the ways I've seen it happening. But there's still a new way that I'm doing right now, in fact, where there's a live programming session for 1 hour. Oh, I can't believe that's tomorrow, man. I'm like super stressed. No, fuck it. I'm not stressed at all. Fuck them. You don't like me? Fuck them, man. Fuck them, man. I don't give a shit. If they do like me, okay. If you don't, I don't need your certificate, man. I don't need your admission that I'm good enough. I know I'm good enough. You just tested me wrong. I don't need you. لبيك يا حسين. Create a callback. My callback. What is the callback gonna have? 2 functions. Fun, 1 success. You'd have the result. Are they all gonna have a result class? Same class? Would you do that on failure? Like my callback is gonna return a result, but this result is of type what? Or it could be any type you want. You could let's call it this for now. Exception here, exception, let's say, a throwable, whatever. Fine. There's the callback, there's the API, there's the retrofit thing. Now it's time to put it all together. Put it all together. What do you do, doodad? Now I go here and say, putting it all together. Fun. There's no fun here. Suffering. It should be like suffering my function. This is how it should be written. Not fun. There is no fun here. Only suffering and death. What's the method called? Get repositories. This one, my friend, is going to take a callback. That's your callback, the one you just created. My callback. And what's it going to return? Nothing. It's not going to return anything. The return is going to happen inside. Here, what you do is, now you can say API dot get repositories dot enqueue this call. How do you enqueue it? You give it an object of type callback. Of what type? Well, the type of the method that this one. Of this type. Wait, what? No, yes, callback of list repository, and then you go like bam bam, and then you close this one. And then you come here, do this, bam, bam. Now you have an override from the callback thing. On success, you get the callback itself of type call list repositories, I'm guessing. Boy, my keyboard is not helping at all. And the response, I guess, which is what? A list of repository. Correct? Look how much ceremony, man, is included, is required to get anything workable in this language. It is horrifying. My God. It is absolutely terrible. How do people put up with this? Isn't it allowed to use prepared templates for different cases for live coding sessions? When I was interviewing to Lyft, oh my God, you interview to Lyft and Uber? Wow. You must be some genius. Well, you seem, yeah, Ukrainian. You guys are smart. Implement MVVM, full data layer infrastructure, MVVM databases. Yeah, I don't know really how it's gonna go, in which direction. Are they gonna stress on this stuff, or are they gonna stress on an actual problem, how I break it down and do something about it? But however you go about it, you know, I don't have a ready resource that has all of this stuff pre-built that I can use. I went through some repository a while ago that claims to have this kind of starter project kind of thing with best Android recommended architecture already implemented, but I thought it was too bloated and I didn't like it. Let me see if I can get it here. If I do Control F, GitHub. Old. Yeah, so either I have to come up with something, I can't find it, something that already works, you know, and is minimal, or do it myself. But it's so easy to do. Like, I'd love to. Copilot helps you. Look, I don't know if you've seen this, but if I start doing this, like I want to implement the get repos, right? Not sure if you've seen this, but this is like game changing. So I haven't even typed anything. I was just about to get start API and look, bam, there you go. So this is your template, you know. That's with me, you know. Is this something I can implement to prep for Flutter interviews too? No. Usually don't have time to do all a boilerplate during live coding. Yeah, you've seen this? Yeah, so yeah. That's gonna be really helpful. If he asks me to turn it off, I'm gonna leave the interview, of course. That's for sure. That is 100%. But yeah, you interviews for Google and Uber. I have an Uber interview soon, you know? But there's algorithms, none of this shit. This just would be the least of my worries at Uber, the Uber interview, honestly. This would be the last thing I would study. But at other places, they don't do algorithms. They just do 1 hour, this company at least is doing 1 hour pair programming and then 1 hour systems design. But not in the sense of systems design like Uber. In the sense that, hey, you have an app, you want to build this app, what do you do? Without the hosting, of course, which takes half of the systems design issue. Yeah. 4 stage, I haven't started the stages even. Because I'm still studying, like, look at this. Like, I'm here, I'm at graphs now. I need to repeat BFS because I forgot it. And yeah, this is just going through grokking. I haven't started lead coding yet. But this is the most serious effort I've done so far about algorithms. Because I moved to Python and felt very happy about it. So that gave me a really big energy boost to continue. And this is the furthest I've gotten. So I'm gonna stick with Python till I die, man. Yeah. No more Kotlin for this shit. It is not made for this stuff. It is bad. It's generally a weaker language, I think, than Python. I don't respect Kotlin at all. After really working with Python and just having this ability of thinking of something, writing it, and that's how it works, and it works without having to do any ceremony about any shit that's should be intuitive. What's intuitive is intuitive. There's no, you know. Yeah, I just don't respect Kotlin anymore. This is how a language should be. Without lead code, HackerRank, code wars, or similar things, it will be tough. Ah, of course it will be. Of course. I'm saying that's coming, but I'm not gonna go there before this shit. I need to go through this shit first. But yeah, it's like thing after thing they're coming. This guy asked me to, it was some interview where like, hey, we're gonna ask about Android security. Okay? Like they tell you. Or someone told me. So I went ahead and just studied security. Fine. Then the Uber guys. Okay, the algorithms. Then I go study algorithms. Okay. Then the other guys said, hey, pair programming. Okay, now I need to brush up on my actual Android. The way that's recommended, not the generic. Because the way I do it at work, it's not gonna be the way they want. You know? Life is hard, Oleg. It's really hard. You either gotta be harder, or you just gotta like getting fucked. And I don't like getting fucked. So it's really hard. Yeah. Because Python rules, yes, it does. It is absolutely the superior language. Mind changed. Okay, where are we at now? We have data source. Okay, what we're gonna do is not gonna do this. We're gonna do this. provides fun, provides data source. Because I'm cool. And we're just gonna say what? Yeah, network data source. That's all I'm gonna do. But what if shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. That's what we're gonna do. Okay? Okay. Then we're gonna go here. I'm gonna say we need a view model. Again, we're gonna do it again. Not base view model, no. View model, yeah. This is a health view model. Model, how do you say model? Without sounding like you're trying to sound American. How? Model. The word model, it catches you. It's a trap for people who are trying to sound American. It's like it's their test. How are you gonna say model? You're not American. Model? Nah, you're too American now. It's obvious. Model. You're an Arab. Okay. Fucker. So your state. Let's have that here. Let's have class state. What's it gonna have? Val is loading. Amazing, yeah. See? He knows what I need. This is, how the hell does he know repos? I'm sitting in a different file now, right? I'm in main view model. This guy has no idea where I am. If you were to think that he's stupid, I mean. Which he's not. He's not stupid at all. Because if he were, he shouldn't have no idea now what the hell, where the repos come from, you know? It knows me. So that's your class of state and your state of class. But what you do now, no, that's not correct. You do this mutable state flow of type what? Of type state of this? No. First import this. What the hell? Yeah, state, just like that. Then you have this as unchangeable by outside, right? Private. And you have the normal one, which is UI state, we're gonna call it. Is equal to state as flow, yes, okay. Yeah, okay. Then you're gonna have get repos. Yeah, that's what I want, but I don't wanna do it so quickly. No, I wanna do fun get repos. First you set it to loading, that's right, okay. You got me. Then what you're gonna do is what? We need to inject the constructor. Copilot goes through the open files as well, so it gets context from there. Yeah, it's crazy, man. I'm telling you, if this guy says turn off Copilot, I'm gonna say, hey, where's the X button? Bam, I'm leaving that meeting. I swear to God. Nah, I shouldn't have sweared. Do I have the balls enough to do that? I should say, instead I should tell him, oh, turn off Copilot, here you go. I would prefer to be such a person. Here you go, turn off Copilot, what the hell do I care? But I care a lot. You know? So I shouldn't like try to be someone I'm not. I probably would not leave the interview, no. I'll just sit there and take the pain. I know myself. And then I take it out on myself later. Yeah. So now we're what? Yeah. Val, private, val data source, that's what I want, yeah. Ideally you'd have a repo here. Yeah, what ideally? Just fucking do it. Ideally? And whose ideals? Ideally, if someone were to do it upon my behalf, I would be very happy. But no one's gonna do it, so I'm not gonna do it either. Inject constructor data source, that's what I want, yeah. But what is this repository gonna do? Oh, it's just gonna call the function. Data source into view model isn't a good idea. Yeah, of course. No. Of course, bro. I don't do that shit, man. Imagine. Fun get repos. And this guy is just gonna call the data source. I'll get repos my call. Oh no. Yeah, no, why no? Yeah, it's correct. What the hell is this? Get repos. Yes. Why is it half complete? Okay, I get the idea. Okay. Network data source my callback. Fine. This. What is this? Here. Implement numbers. Yes. On success what? Oh god. On success what? I didn't have that problem before. Repository injects data source. The data source, what does it do? Just call get repos. Callback is being sent from inside. Yeah, let the So this get repos has a callback coming in. And that's fine. That's fine. And this provides the data source that has this shit. So I go data source dot get repos. Yeah. But where's the problem? The problem is here. If I at the end say val repository is equal to, yeah. What do I want to do here? I want to do repository dot get repos. I don't want to pass a callback or nothing. What I'm gonna do, because is what? Oh, I have to pass a callback. Right? Yeah, of course I have to pass a callback. What am I gonna do instead, you idiot? Monkey coder. I'd suggest to separate the logic response handling in the response adapter for retrofit while the mapping to a particular business logic state into the repo interactor. Yeah, I'm with you, but response handling, response adapter, I never heard of that. What, like here? Adapter? Add call adapter factory. Well, yeah, when the talk starts to become about factories and machines, that's where I get like, I want to do that. Okay, show me. Oleg. I hope your link doesn't get filtered though. Let me see in the chat if I can. Community moderation. No blocking links. No, you can post a link. Difficult to implement but easy to comfortable to use then. Yeah, let me see. Let's see it. But still, this is okay. I need to look at the notes. Data layer. Retrofit, yes. Here. New call. Huh? That's not what I want to do. I don't think I got this far. In the morning. Posted above twice. Yeah. I don't know. It looks like it blocks. Just type the name. I'll search for it on GitHub. What's your like? Give me the name of the repo. I have it set to not block links, but I don't know. I don't want to get into it now. So yeah, I don't think I got this far to do the repo stuff in the morning. So yeah. Did I? Okay, this is how far I got. Data source, blah blah blah. Provides data source. Then I assumed that it would work just by me writing here data repository, yeah, blah blah blah, etc. Architectural app repo. Okay. Never. Okay, not now. Why am I dumb? Users. There we go. Repositories. Architectural app. Let's first judge you. Okay, not enough input to judge. Alright. App data domain presentation. So app, you got DI. Oh my god, this is so big. Why? I think it's bloated. Oh man. What's all of this? I think it's bloated. I'm not too active here, only after interviews. Not my style. Wouldn't do that. Data module, I'm with you here. Fine. Okay, I guess. I don't understand this. I'm not gonna like get it when I look at it. It's not clear. Base, what's in here? Base repository. Oh god. Now you have base generics. This is bloated, man. No. Nope. But kudos to you if you can understand that shit. I don't. Well, close the door or what? Close the door or what? Huh? Oh yeah. Sekiro? I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's bloated for this example at least. For my use case. But yeah, I guess it would scale big. Scale good. No value passed for callback. Yes, I know. A good thing for you, retrofit client could be there. Response handling. Okay, I could look at that. Response handling. Adapt. See, when someone uses a function name called adapt, you know that they understand what an adapter is. So they're they're making it fulfill its destiny, the adapter, in this one function called adapt. Whatever the fuck adapting means. Oh, the factory now. We have a factory. Star. Wow. Yeah, no. No. How about no? How's that sound? Sound good to you? No. too much of a farmer to understand these complicated topics, honestly. What am I even doing here? On success, I already did that here, man. I already did the callback. What am I missing here? My callback. Why is this shitty thing here? Why? 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 It's trying to tell me something. To pass a callback from the view model to the repo to the data source, and then yeah, why not? Why not? There you go, huh? My callback, I'm gonna pass it again, huh? My callback, there you go, enjoy it. Put it in your ass if you like. Enjoy it. So this is a different callback, you monkey, right? This is a different callback. This is a different callback. Literally. This, you're forced to use this callback. This callback is for you. It's not that you already did this. You didn't. You didn't already do this here. Here is for the retrofit to be satisfied. This one is for retrofit. This one is for you. So you send yours in. Yeah. I don't think I understand what an interface is. Yeah, I don't think I understand what an interface is. But no problem. You can do this without understanding it. Is this not where the thing goes? Callback, my callback. Object. Network data source dot my callback. Yes. Come here, do this. Success, what do? You do that. And on error, you do that. Yes. UI state, why isn't this? No. UI, no, yes. Yes. But here, on success, what? There's nothing returning on success? Result, man. String, let's say, or No, yeah. Here you go. This response booty. What is booty? It's a nullable T of anything. Dot string. Where's stream, man? What's stream? String. Call the response list string, right? How you doing, man? I'm doing well, Fenway. Wow, that's a name I haven't seen in a while. How are you? How have you been? How's the family? Miss you, man. Response booty. Yes. Too many arguments? Well, I'll give you the argument, bro. I just want a result like this. Exception, did I say? Did I not define this already? Oh, I wrote it in Notion, yeah. That's my monkey brain. I wrote it in... So I have it here written already, but in the code I haven't. What a monkey. Honestly. Dot string now, please. No. Why not? What do you feel when after your answer on the interview, the interviewer just says okay? Well, it means wrong. I've had worse. I've had the interviewer doesn't answer at all. I did one interview with Google once. The very first one, the phone screening. He gave me like a problem. And I was working and I say, yeah? Nothing, just staring at me. I didn't want to tell him anything because I could have, but I just, okay, like, you know, let's see what I can learn from this. I could have told him off, but I went with it. You should make a community app that we can contribute to. It sounds useless. Unless you have a good idea, but right now the face of what you said, the suggestion seems useless. Could you tell me more about this George? Oh, Google interview, planning to take one next month. Well, they just asked me like, hey, you have a problem where, or you have a game at least. It's called, what's it called? Go. The game of Go is famous. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you coordinates and I'm gonna give you some rules for a couple of cells or chips on this board of Go. So Go looks like this. Looks like that. So I'm gonna give you coordinates of, was it two or one chip on this board, and I want you to tell me if it's alive or dead based on these rules. If there's 3 neighbors next to it, it dies. If it's alone, it dies. If there's 2, why? Yes, algorithms. What are you studying? Trying to study? I don't try to study anything. I do it, man. No, I'm trying to study for tomorrow's Android interview. Just general stuff. Have I managed? What about people? I can't manage myself, man. Let alone manage people. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. No, I've never. Yes. What was I looking for? I was looking for something. Yeah, body.string. Yeah, why am I not able to do .string? That's the question. Response. What is the type of response? It's a response. What is the response? Here. Where is body? There's body. Body. Success. Body, there it is. If response is successful, yeah. That Photobox app for what we... Oh, that was the very first one, yeah. For phone screening. Then you have data structures, algorithms, again 1 hour. And another data structures algorithm, again 1 hour. And then specific to Android itself, and then systems design, and then collaboration and leadership. And then you go to heaven and you live there forever in Google. You know, it's like you died and went to heaven. That's why you have to suffer so much, right? Because they're gonna send you to heaven. Let's do the string, whatever. On failure, no. I'm gonna do this, response dot body not equal null. Yeah. Still no string. Okay, if it's not null, otherwise, you go like this. What? Okay. Exception or something? Body is null? Yeah. Oh, shit. The shift F2, man, is fucking me up. Requires string? Oh, sorry, on failure. Yeah. Alright, and failure. Body is fucking, I don't know. Response is not successful, let's say. T dot cause exception throwable. Oh, it should be throwable, like throwable. Okay. What about exception? You give it throwable. Does that work? Yeah. No. Okay, it works. Fine. Just didn't pass anything, man. I failed the very first one. I didn't pass anything. Hey, but they talked to me, right? I didn't apply. They liked me, you know. You know. What can I tell you? They reached out to me. I didn't ask for it, so it must mean that I'm really sexy and intelligent. That's it. Just you do loading is false under there, and just come here, do UI state. Oh, we haven't. So val VM is equal to main view model by view models. VM dot get repos. That's it. No, that's not it. This is it. VM.UI state dot value collect as state. Yes. What do you want to do here? So this would be like if you had here state like that. Could have it be like this. Something like that. And then here we would check if VM or no, if is equal to success, you do blah blah blah, otherwise you do blah blah blah. Yes, this is what I want. What? This is what I want, yeah. Oh, you shouldn't collect that as, okay. So dot collect as state dot value dot repos dot for each you would do text it. This is wrong here. That's not how you do it. That's not how you do it. I want to do this. State.update. That's what I want to do. So it.copy, and here I would have the answer repos is equal to result. Let's say, what is your issue? Yeah. Fine. This stuff. There you go. And that's what you do. So it dot what? It dot this it, motherfucker. And you need to call the get repos as well. VM dot get repos. First try. No. Yeah, now first try. now it crashed. Did it? Yeah. What was the issue? Oh, I knew it. Okay. Okay, so here you just do view model scope dot launch given dispatchers, and then you send it out off of the main thread. Bam, bam. Then do this. Oh, what's that? They didn't even try on the other stuff. Of course not. That was terrible, man. I thought it's required. The first fail should be a sentence and Lyft and Uber at least. No, man, I'm terrible. I really don't know this stuff at all. You think I'm better? No zero argument constructor? What? I'm really very bad at this stuff. Inject constructor, bam bam. Yes, that's correct. Oh, you need to Android entry point here. Hilt view model here. This guy also needs to be injected at inject constructor. What is this guy? Fuck off. Inject constructor, yes. Hilt Android app. Did you say its name in the manifest? Yes, you did. Yeah. What about this guy that we just closed? This guy? This guy? No? Dude, Control E. Oh, it's Command E? Prep application, okay. This time it's gonna work. There. Try Lyft then. They didn't care about algorithms for Android position last time. Oh, why is it crashing? What do you want? Monkey. Dispatches IO. HTTP method. Sorry. At least there's easy errors. Great, I'm very happy about that. Get the URL being this guy, for example. There you go. First try. Why? Why? Unable to create converter. Yeah, sorry about that. You need another thing here, which is the converter. Add converter factory JSON converter factory dot create. But this requires JSON. Do I have this import here? No, I don't. So JSON converter factory. No, not this monkey, the other monkey. Converters, maybe this guy. Yep, that's the one. So I'm gonna go here, build, come here. Latest version is what? Is the latest version 290, I guess, again. Hey Vivek. Hey, okay man, thanks for streaming. Good luck tomorrow. Got interview tomorrow as well. Yeah, I hope we do well, man. Wishing you the best of luck. Honestly, very nice having you. Thank you so much. Hello Vivek. Oh, I said hello. Well, hello again. Okay. Hello again. Works. First try. There's no logging, so that's logging interceptor. Add interceptor. No. But client. Why is there no logging? Is that correct? Is that wrong? Did we not say that we want a text here? Reports for each. This one is not passing anyway. Log D. Yes. 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 Tag. This one is what? Collect as statement. No, that log appears before the thing. Mutable state is loading true repos. All right. How am I architecting? Yeah, the order is kind of dodgy. The order is weird. So this has to go. This shit goes away. Fucking delete it. Delete. And why is it so big as well? First of all, add dependency injection. That's 100% difficult to keep up when there's so many files and so many classes. Yeah. Yep. Indeed. Okay, so let's remove everything. Doesn't matter. So first of all, fine. Huh? Application class. No, that's not the first thing. The imports are the first thing. The imports. 1. Should I just say 1, 2, 3? 1. Imports. Hilt, retrofit, JSON converter factory. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's it. Confirmed. Yeah. Hilt, retrofit, converter, JSON. That's it. It's all that's required for this dish. It's all you need for this dish to work. This can serve about 10 people. Tastes like shit, but you'll eat. You'll be full. That's what you do. Then, what do? Android application, no. Application class. Meaning, what do I put the code there? Not. No code. This is high level algorithmic architecturing. Application class. This has to have Hilt Android app and all of that. You mention it in the thing. Then you do network data source. Yes, sure. Network data source. Class, let's say. Which would have API model. API model, which would have what? Let's say on success, result, on failure, error. Yes. I've seen GraphViz. I wanted to do something. It's Python. Yeah, this is what I wanted to do. Draw a tree from a graph. Because I was doing graphs. I think one of the answers was just use GraphViz. It was too complicated. Nope. Someone said it. Checks lag. Cut. Past. Oh, wow. That's nice. That's pretty cool. I didn't know this existed. I'm gonna impress them with it tomorrow. Okay, so is this changeable? Unusable. You can't really change this size of each pane. Nice. Digraph, does it have? Okay, G. Android Arch. Yes. So, well, I forgot the syntax. Main component, and then main component, main view model. See, I didn't even read. Main component. What about, you have different arrows, you specify same root and you go out of it, that's different arrows, okay. So main, no. So imports. Application class. Application class. Let's call it just application. Nope, let's just call it class. Alright, application class. From that you go towards what? Network data source, I'm guessing, yeah. Error? What error? You don't accept spaces? Okay. Alright. What? Dreampuff, GitHub, GraphViz. Let me just see this 1 second. Are you sure you want to leave YouTube? Huh? What? Yes. Oh wow. What is that? What the fuck? It's a language? It's a whole language. Oh, this is how this works. This is how Python was. This is how they made this then. For sure. This is how? I forgot I and 0, 2. I think it's 2. Ah, Python is simpler. It has to be simpler than this. Range 10, yes. It kind of looked like this, but it's not. No, I need to get a working example. I range 0. Probably. Kind of looks like it, but yeah. This is much cooler. So, network data source. When you go inside, what do? Network data source. You're gonna make an API model. API interface. Call it what it is, you monkey. API interface is going to have, let's say, on success. What do you totally agree. Where's that other girl? Yeah, so it's gonna have a result on failure, alright. This one. Network data source is also gonna have retrofit object initialization init initialization, call it. Retrofit initialization. We're gonna have something to do with it. At the end, you're gonna do this. API is equal retrofit dot create my API class dot Java. I know it's high level and I shouldn't write code, but I just want to try it. What do you mean error? What error? It's perfect. What do you want? Here 5. Where? 5. What is 5? Here 5. What's the error? What do you want? I can't put parentheses or what? Okay. Retrofit initialization. All this is gonna happen. No, I'm gonna have this. Fine. You do all of this inside that. Okay. API interface and then retrofit, yeah. And then what you do is network data source as well. Hey Mohsen. Oh, you know the music? Yeah, it's a good way to visualize, yeah, of course. I didn't know this existed. I never had to organize myself, you know. Lately I've been taking things seriously only. Too late. Because you know we're all gonna die anyway. Network data source. Now you need to define get result. Get endpoint function. I want to call it get endpoint. Get from endpoint. Whatever that is. Whatever it is, it's gonna be getting something from an endpoint in this inside this class. Or DB. Get from DB, because this but then we change that's then data source. You don't necessarily need to use the online viewer. You can have graphics installed locally and just run dot via terminal. Yeah. Yeah, it is Persian. Yes. Data source, get from endpoint, get from DB, whatever that is. That's we're gonna say implementation here, because you're gonna have to implement the method, which is what. No, we fucked up. This is not the API interface. This is the callback interface. My callback. Yes. Here you need to do a different thing. Data source API interface. That is gonna have what? That's gonna have something else. That's gonna have something like this. Get URL section, let's say. Fun get from endpoint. Just the interface. What do you want, man? You happy? Okay. So, imports, start the application class, implement the data source. It's gonna first have API interface. You're gonna put get URL section in there. Fun get from endpoint. Ah, you're missing something here. Needs to return call your result. But then is this very strong editor able to do line break? Wow. Wow. Okay. Now we are speaking. So we're gonna do or, and then another line break. Yeah, that's what I want. Like this. Can you do bold? Bold. You cannot. Can you do B like that? No. What about B? No. Is this, what is this? Oh. Circle? Oh, wow. Nito. What? Osage. Twopi. Ah, these are acronyms probably. Raw output. Ah, so CSS. Is this CSS? Stroke. Bold. I don't want to know. Don't care. Let's just keep it simple. B to out, a big B, okay. Oh. Yeah. No. Dot engine bold syntax. Dot language. Oh, it's a language. Yeah, makes sense, man. That. What? Terminals are shown in bold font and non-terminals in italics. What? Bold. The grammar? I don't care about grammar, man. What grammar? Text formatting. ChatGPT, man, what am I doing? It's a little complicated though. Don't like that. It doesn't work anyway. Oh, because we're inside the... let me think then. If I should do this, and then I could do this. Now reload again. This is out of now. Did I break it? Anywho, we don't need to go that scripted. We just need the main label. Yeah, I know. But I want this to be like the go all, to all, be all, end all of things. I don't want to leave it up to my mind to go like, yeah, and you also remember, you know. But anyway, I like it a lot. Dash in here again. Let's say implementation. Okay, we'll handle it later. Oh. Yeah, I don't want it to stop me. I need to continue. Let's do double N here. What is this? Double N. Alright. Fine. Data source, get endpoint. and get from DB, whatever the implementation you define here. An API interface get from endpoint or get from whatever. My callback is on success, on failure. Retrofit initialization, that comes before. Oh, okay. So this guy has to come here. Bam. Bam. Please format, yes. Retrofit initialization, yeah. And then you have the callback interface. This is I would argue this is last, fine. And then you have, I would argue what? Get from endpoint implementation, okay. Yeah, the implementation about that. You have inside. Let's move on. That's what. But then how do I come out of this into I have to pick one of them to go to branch out of. I'm gonna branch out of this. I guess. Oh no, that's messed up now. I fucked it up. What if I do something completely unrelated? Where's that? Where are you gonna put it? Okay. So you got all of this. Well, it's done, isn't it? It's finished. That's it. What the hell did I close? Alright, what is this? Don't worry about it. Yeah, I'm trying not to worry about it. This is the imports. This is this is a big chunker right here. This is the chunker. And that's it. It's done. Probably you would then I want something to come out of that a data source and go down there, and then like to signify that, and then after all of this you do something else. It doesn't matter. Let's say I know what to do. First, right? You do this. That's what you do first. And then you go here, you do second the following. What do you want? Oh, yeah, first you do all of this. Second thing you do is hilt, I guess. Yes. And hilt, you go ahead and do what? Application module, let's say. Which would have inside what? Yeah. I like it. That's second. Then you can do, for example, third, main view model. Do I need to spoon feed myself all of this? I should fucking just let it go. State. And then act accordingly, I guess. No. Here you need to do state, yeah, state, that update. That's it. What's the error? 18? What do you want? It's a monster. Because it isn't allowing me to go vertical. Subgraph second? Oh. Subgraph. Oh. Like digraph, oh. Yeah. Second. Ah, it's still going to the right. No. Subgraph, but style fill. Why is it subgraph? Maybe I need to move them inside here, because I don't think it's registering. I think it's dependent on spacing. What? No. But yeah, that's generally it. That is generally it. I'm satisfied. Pretty good to see overview, yeah? Just pretty good, pretty awesome. Like I could just like do data source. I could do this very easy thing where I come here, I just bam. No. Bam, bam, bam. There you go. Or this is the wrong one. What I wanted to say was this. I can jump out of, for example, I can jump out of this, yeah, jump out of this. There you go. Just for me to understand that. Or you could do, probably you could do this. Let's say comma, come out of this one and that one. Yep, that's what I wanted to do. That's exactly it. So I'm gonna take it a step further. I'm gonna do come out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So come out of this, come out of my callback interface. No, on success result of that. API retrofit, come out of that as well. Come out of that. And also come out of get, this one. Yeah, come out of this one as well. All of this comes out to health. GitHub Markdown supports similar shit via Mermaid. So I'm gonna do this. Yeah, you finish all of this stuff, and you go health. When you go health, you go this, and then now easily what you do is, you finished health, right? Did you finish health? Did you? Yes, you did. What am I gonna offer in health? I'm gonna say here, bam, provide data source that you just created. And from that data source, when you finish doing that, what you do is onto the view model. Yeah, and from the view model, you go down, and then fourth, which is unfortunately gonna be, not unfortunately, you do this, come out of here as well, please, and also come out of here into main activity, and from main activity do that. Yeah, that's it. When shit becomes serious, be feel lol sharp. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you noticed? Really, man. Like when you're actually doing something, I told you yesterday, when you're actually doing something, nobody cares. They just want you to be like, hey everyone. Yeah. So this is it. Provide data source, health. Yeah. So I saw on Glassdoor as well that they ask you about solid principle. I don't think they're gonna do that tomorrow. And if it comes to espresso and testing, Copilot is gonna finish the rest of it. And I know testing and stuff like that. I don't really know it, but Copilot's there. How long have I been on? Oh, 2 hours almost, yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of tired, but I feel satisfied with my attempt. If they do end up asking me something completely unrelated, tough luck, you know, it's not meant to be. But if it turns out to be this stuff, you know, I'm gonna look like a star. This is really nice. So save it, Dreampuff GitHub.io. That is online, yeah. Let's go here. And maybe I could be a professional note taker, for example. So bam, don't need any of this. You just need now to do downloads SVG, plop that in here. That's all you do. That is all you need to do. That is it. Looks ugly, but it's pretty accurate. Go take that to the bank. You will get your money's worth because it is accurate. This is how you do it. This should be like this for you, off the top of your head. Why? Because our I mean, memorizing boilerplate, oh, that's so shameful. Bro, your entire career is built on boilerplate because you're doing Android. So, might as well embrace it and start memorizing some code, you know? Because there's no sense in trying to intuit all of this every time. Just fucking memorize it since you're already in the shit. Become one with the shit, you know? Become a shoveler. You're inside the shit, shovel some shit, you know? $5, yeah? Add it to the tab. You're gonna need a lot more than me, from me than that. Alright, I'm gonna go sit in my pool of sorrow. Ah, what sorrow? I'm very happy. Very happy. Yeah, but if nothing, you know what? I was thinking the other day, if nothing happens out of here, in the Netherlands, and I don't find a job, yeah, I'm not sure who's listening actually. I haven't told everybody, but that kind of be like 30% glad. I haven't told that part to anybody either. Like I'd be 35% glad. But let's see. Either way, I just want to improve. I don't care about the result of this hard work. The result is already with me. I already took the result. With the job and stuff like that, those are consequences. Like secondary. This kind of growth is what I like. Yeah. Thanks a lot, man. It's gonna happen. But my heart being attached to here, it's not. It is not. If it happens, great. I don't have to change anything. If it doesn't, back to what I know. Alright, see you later, probably tomorrow, to talk about the interviews. That's if I don't even record or stream them and go into jail about that. Yeah, I'll probably record one of them or write down what the questions were. I'm interested to know. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. Goodbye. Thank you for tuning in.